Did you know that you can make money only by reading a script? Hello guys, thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Yusel and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video guys, I'm going to present you a company that is currently looking for people to work from home as a telephone interviewer. What you're going to be doing is that you're just going to be reading a script and you get paid by only reading that script. Guys, the company I'm presenting you today is going to be American Direction Research Group. This company is currently looking for people to work from home as a telephone interviewer. You're just going to be only on your computer at your home and working, calling people and ask them questions by only reading a script and document the answers. That is very, very easy. Let's talk about this company. American Direction Research Group is a veteran-owned survey research provider, serving research consultants, corporations, and government to provide high-quality market research survey services. Since 1986, American Direction Research Group has conducted surveys for a wide variety of businesses and organizations, providing critical information needed to make decisions, grow, or retain customers and accomplish their mission. Guys, this company is currently doing market research by SMS texting, online panels, and language surveys, and a nationwide team of skilled interviewers are all key to how American Direction Research Group can help you reach out and learn what Americans are thinking. Guys, this is a very, very legit company, and I have a few people who've been working for this company, and also I have my cousin. He was working for this company for a little while, and he's been earning very, very great money with this company. This company is currently based in the United States, and they're currently looking for people within the United States only. And if you are in the United States, you are looking for work from home to work as a telephone interviewer, as you will be reading just a script, you can go right now and apply for this company. And as we're moving forward, when we go to the employment section, we can see here where they are currently hiring people. Here it says, if you need work, we can help. We are now hiring, offering good pay, comfortable work environment, and flexible scheduling. No selling, only surveys. Guys, what you're going to be doing, you're not going to sell anything. You're not going to do anything apart from reading the script and do the surveys with the people over the phone. Well, we are looking for high quality survey and interviewers who enjoy talking with respondents all across the United States. Click here below to fill out a short application to be considered. Guys, if we come here, we see where it says apply as a telephone interviewer. When we click on it, it's going to take us to the page where they're currently hiring people. There's a little video here, guys. You can just click on it and it can tell you about the company. You can click on it right now about the application so you can see what they're currently doing here. Guys, if we jump here, you can see market research telephone interviewer, and we see market research telephone interviewer. Here they are currently hiring in Spokane, and here they are currently hiring in Texas, but both of them are remote. Even though you see here that says in Texas, United States, but it's almost remote. All right, and here it is, they are hiring for full-time, and here it is going to be part-time. Let's click on it here to see exactly what position and tell us about the position that they're currently hiring people for. You see here, American Directions is currently hiring market research telephone interviewers for its facility in Spokane. This role is a full-time opportunity with evenings and weekends scheduled with some flexible schedule options available. What would you do? Every day, our interviewers call people over the phone in the United States to gather their opinions on behalf of our clients. As an interviewer, you will speak to hundreds of everyday citizens to conduct and record responses to over the phone surveys. This position is 100 outbound calling, but it is not selling, only survey. What we provide, all right? A safe workspace that is practicing all the CDC recommendations. We are wearing our mask when moving about and around the calling floor, social distancing by sitting the recommended 6 feet apart, sanitizing our common areas every hour in between each use. Guys, when you are going to apply for this position, you're just going to apply as a remote. Okay, say that you are willing to work at home, and you will have the option to work at your home, right? So for the pay ranges varied from $15 an hour to $16 an hour. All right, it is a full time, and then you're gonna be starting with $15 an hour. If you are available, you can work during the weekend shifts, and you can earn 15.50 per hour. All right. Higher rates are available if only you're bilingual. If you're bilingual, you speak Spanish, or another language might be French. So you're gonna be paid even more. You're gonna be paid 16 or 60.50 per hour. The flexibility. Currently hiring for evenings and weekends, 2 p.m. You're going to be starting from 2 p.m. to 7 p.m. And they have another schedule from 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. Monday through Friday. So they have another one from 1 p.m. to 9 p.m. Saturdays and Sundays. For the referral, if you refer somebody for this company, they have a good referrer. If you refer somebody for this to this company, you're going to have $2 more per hour higher. This is a very great opportunity, guys. I can advise you guys, go ahead and apply for this company, and they pay every 2 weeks, and they pay for training. Guys, this is a very, very good company, guys. If you are willing to apply for this company, go right now and apply for this company. I'm going to put the link below this video so you can have it into the description section. I'm gonna put the link so you can have easy access to the company itself. Guys, if you are interested about this company, go ahead and apply right now, and remember to share this video to all of your friends, and make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any next video that I'm going to be posting into this channel, guys. And remember, I'm here for you. Our page is here for you guys. Subscribe right now so you can have access to all of our videos, and have a great one. Ciao.